Hello my students, how are you today? Welcome to Discover Prime 1. Today we will talking about describing materials. Okay, I want you to listen to the videos and tell me one word and its opposite. Remember any words and its opposite? We have big and small, tall and short, weak and strong, fast and slow. We use these words to describe things around us. Now we will use our five senses to describe things around us. Do you remember our five senses? Let's make revision on them. Look at picture number 1. It is hearing. Number 2, seeing. Number 3, touching. 4, tasting, and 5 is smelling. We have 5 senses: hearing, seeing, touching, tasting, and smelling. We will use our 5 senses to describe things around us. Let's start. Okay, now look at picture number 1. We have an elephant, and in picture number 2 we have a book. I want you to try to describe the two pictures by using large and small. Large and small. Try to describe the two pictures. Tell me which one is large and which one is small. Okay? We have an elephant and a book. I want you to tell me which one is large and which one is small. Okay. What about the elephant? The elephant is large or small? The elephant is large. The elephant is large. Large means big. The elephant is large or very big. Okay. And the book is small. The book is small. Okay. What is the sense you use to describe them? What is the sense from your 5 senses you use to describe them? You use hearing or seeing or tasting, touching, hearing. What is the 5 sense? What is the sense you use from your 5 senses? Can you tell me? It is seeing. It is seeing. We use our eyes to see that the elephant is large and the book is small. Okay. Now I want you to look around you and list 3 things big and 3 things small. Look around you and tell me 3 things big and 3 things small. Okay. We can say that the table is big, the chair is big, and the laptop is big and small. The book is small, the pencil is small, and the eraser is small, or anything around you. Can you tell me it is small or big? Okay, let's see our next pictures. I have here in picture number 1 a flower, and in picture number 2 a garbage or a rubbish. I want you to describe the two pictures by using fresh and stinky. Fresh, it means it has a good smell, okay? Has a good smell. And stinky, it has a bad smell. Try to describe them. Tell me which one is fresh and which one is stinky. Okay? What about the flower? The flower is fresh or stinky? The flower is fresh. The flower is fresh. It has a good smell. And the garbage? The garbage is stinky. It has a bad smell. Repeat, stinky. We have the flower is fresh and the garbage is stinky. And what is the sense you use to describe them? From your five senses, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. What is the sense you use? You use smelling. Yes, we use our nose to smell and know which one is fresh and which one is stinky. Okay, now I want you to list three things have fresh smell. Try to think and tell me three things have fresh smell. Can you tell me three things have fresh smell? What has fresh smell? Like what? The flower has fresh smell. Flower, perfume, fruits. Some fruits have fresh smells. The shampoo we use has a fresh smell. So try to list three things have fresh smell. Okay, let's next see our next pictures. I have here in picture number 1 a lemon and in picture number 2 an apple. I want you to describe the two pictures by using sweet and sour. Which one is sweet, have sweet taste, and which one has sour taste? Which one has sweet taste and which one has sour taste? What about the lemon? Do you think the lemon is sweet or sour? The lemon is sour. The lemon is sour. And the apple is sweet. The apple is sweet. And what is the sense you use to describe them? We use which sense? Seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. Which one? It is tasting. We use our tongue to taste and describe which one is sour and which one is sweet. Now I want you to sort the following items in the correct category. Do you remember what is the meaning of sort? We said sort mean put in groups. We have two groups, group for sweet and group for sour. I want you to sort these pictures or these items in sweet and sour. We have kiwi, honey, chocolate, vinegar, grapes, orange. You will sort them which one is sweet and which one is sour. Take your time. Try to finish them quickly. Okay, let's answer it together. Let's start with number 1, kiwi. Do you think kiwi is sweet or sour? Kiwi is sour. Kiwi is sour. And honey? Honey is sweet. Yes. Chocolate? Sweet. Vinegar? Vinegar is sour. Grapes? Sweet or sour? Sweet. And last one, orange is sour. Yes. Okay. Our next picture. I have here in picture number 1 a balloon and in picture number 2 we have a rock. Rock means stone. Rock like the stone. Okay. I want you to describe the two pictures by using smooth and bumpy. Smooth and bumpy. Which one is smooth? Which one is bumpy? Smooth, like I want all of you to put your hand on the other hand. This is what I mean by smooth, okay? Smooth. When you touch your hand is smooth. So I want you to tell me which one is smooth and which one is bumpy. What about the balloon? When you touch the balloon, it is like your hand. When you touch your hand, it is smooth or it is bumpy. When you put your hand on the balloon, like when you put your hand on your other hand, I think yes, the balloon is smooth. The balloon is smooth. What about the rock? When you put your hand on the rock, like when you put your hand on the balloon, the rock is smooth? No, the rock is bumpy. The rock is bumpy. Yes. And what is the sense you use to describe them? I think all of you say it is touch. It is touch. We use our hand to touch them and describe them which one is smooth and which one is bumpy. Now I want you to list 3 smooth things around you. 3 smooth things around you. Look around you and tell me, or touch anything around you and tell me 3 smooth things. The book is smooth, yes. The glass is smooth. And our hand is smooth. Yes, okay. Our next picture, I want you to listen to this sound. Okay. And now I want you listen to the second sound. Now I want you to describe the 2 sounds by using ticking and ringing. Which one is ticking and which one is ringing? I think it is easy. Again, let's listen to number 1. Number 1, it is ticking or ringing? It is ticking, yes. And listen again to number 2. Number 2 is ringing, yes. And what is the sense you use to describe them? It is hearing. We use our eyes to hear and describe them, which one is ticking and which one is ringing. Now I think all of you can use your 5 senses to describe things around you. You can use your 5 senses to describe things around you. Time to practice. Are you ready? Bring your Discover book and your pencil. Open your Discover book page 80 and 81. Quickly, please. Okay. In page 80 and 81, describing materials. Let's listen to the instruction. Look at the 2 objects on a line. Choose the correct word that describe each object. Write the correct word on the line under the picture. What will we do? We have here 2 pictures. I have here a pencil and an elephant. And here The sense I use. The sense sight. Sight, it is seeing or sight. And I have small and large. I want you to describe them. Which one is small and which one is large? Okay, I think the pencil is small and the elephant is large. Now you have 5. You have 2 minutes to answer page 80 and 81. Start now, please. Okay, let's answer it together. Number 2, the garbage fresh or stinky? It is stinky and the soup is fresh. Yes. Since taste, we have an apple and a lemon, sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. The apple is sweet and the lemon is sour. Okay. Since touch, page 81. Touch, we have a ball and a rock. We have smooth and bumpy. The ball is smooth and the rock is bumpy. Hearing, we have a bell and a clock. Ticking, ringing. The bell is ringing and the clock is ticking. Yes. Now close your Discover book and open your activity book, page 46. Quickly please, open your activity book, page 46. Okay. Question A, read and match. Read and match. I have number 1, apple, number 2, lemon, number 3, garbage, number 4, soup. We have fresh, stinky, sour, sweet. We will match them. Don't forget that we don't make match by lines, we make match by writing numbers. I will answer number 1 with you. Apple is fresh, stinky, sour or sweet. Apple. Fresh, stinky, sour or sweet. Apple is sweet, yes. Number 2, lemon. Lemon is sour. Number 3, garbage is stinky. Yes, we said stinky has a bad smell. And the number 4, the soup is fresh. Question number 2 is a homework. You will answer it as a homework. Next page, please, page 47 in your activity book. Okay, P. Read and complete using the words below. Read and complete using the words below. You will answer it as a homework. I will help you by answering number 1. We have fresh, large, sour, small, stinky, sweet. Number 1, elephant is, we will complete it. Elephant is fresh, large, sour, small, stinky, or sweet. Elephant is, yes, large. Elephant is large. You will complete it as a homework. Next page, please. Page 48. You will answer it as a homework. I will help you in number 1. Question C. Read and tick next to the correct answer. Read and tick next to the correct answer. In picture number 1, we have a ball. The ball seems smooth. The stone seems bumpy. I think the ball seems smooth. We will make tick on the ball seems smooth. You will answer 2, 3, 4 as a homework. Question B, put true or false. We will read the sentence and put true or false. I will answer number 1 with you and you will complete it as a homework. Number 1, rat is small. Rat is small. True or false? Rat is small. True. You will answer this page as homework. At the end, I want to say best wishes. We will miss you. Thank you and goodbye.